How to set the time duration for music share to automatically disconnect when nothing is played on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. After that, tap on the settings icon. Then go down and tap on connections. Next, tap on Bluetooth. In Bluetooth, tap on the More button, then tap on Advanced Settings. Now go down and tap on Music Share. Then in here, we scroll down and tap on Disconnect where nothing is played for. And from the list, you can choose 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 30 minutes, or don't disconnect. So select one of the available options. Then tap on the back key or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.